Hi guys, you're welcome to the Tuesday, the second day of this challenge, and we would be looking at the pairs that we currently have our eyes on. Yesterday being Monday, I showed you all that we had no valid setup or entry. Right now, we still have no valid setup or entry. We can see the euro dollar is currently ranging, and this is on the 1 hour time frame. So I love to look at the 4 hour and the 1 hour. But my Sunday outlook is going to give you more, information on how I take my setup. So if you've not watched that video, you have to go back to my YouTube channel to watch it. You can see the market is currently choppy and my edge do not work in choppy markets. So it's always best to stay out of choppy markets because you do not know where the market will head to. For you to be professional, you need to understand your edge, and respect it by sticking to your rules. We've analyzed the monthly candle, the anatomy of the monthly candle to be what a range. When it opens, then a rally down, then spike up, for the month. So it's happening. It's okay for it to happen. It could even take a week or two, to get to this level, but we will be very, very patient because we are here to make money and not to lose money. So this is what has been happening on euro dollar, and this is not a good place, a good way to make money. Okay. So moving to GBPUSD, something similar. These two pairs are similar, but I love to look at both of them for clarity. And I get to know which one, is giving me what I want, and I get in on that one. You can see it's also ranging. The market is currently in a range. For those of us who do not know what a range is, you'd have to go to my YouTube and look at some videos. You can see the market is currently creating equal highs and equal lows, and let's use blue and see the market is not going higher, it's not going lower, it's just in a range. So that's what we mean by when the market's in a range. And I'm waiting for the market to come to this level of demand, so we could buy from this is on the British pounds, but on SAUSD. As you can see the market, I speculated that this is what I'm waiting for. I want to see the market straight above these levels, up to these levels on this trend line. I want to see a solid candle break on the 4 hour before I can take this trade. And you can see the market has what's been ranging on this trend line that has been created. And this is a level of demand that is also what's vacant. So price could do so many things. Could come back here and go. But for me, what I'll be wanting to do, I want to see a clear structure, a break, a retest. Then I want to see the range. Then I want to see a solid candle come. Then I can get in on the pullback and continue this trend upward. So that's why I have my position here set to guide me on how I would love to take this trade. So this is what I'm looking out for on SAUSD. Why on CHFJPY? This is what we've been looking at for a sell. And the market has been following really good structure. I ain't gonna lie, I love CHFJPY. It's been giving me lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, respecting the structures, though it's been doing some liquidation, but perfect. And now we can see the market is rallying up for a pullback and will likely be hitting these levels of supply. So guys, I want you to stick with me. I'm going to be posting this on all my socials. I want you to please go there, like this video and comment. You understand? We're going to be making real money soon. Real money. I don't want you guys to sleep on this. Okay, and that's what we'll be looking out for today. Hopefully, when our edge plays out, then we can get into our setups and start taking really good money and making good money. And we're on our way to 10M. See you guys later. Thank you all for watching this video and watching it to the end. Bye, guys.